Cats invade! Oh, looks like the episode is on now. Okay, action! Help! Moy! Help! Please! What's going on? Cats are attacking me! They're everywhere! Cats? Where? Hello. Ah! It's a cat! I'm Catter. I'm Catty and this is Cat. Cats are attacking me! Hey, you know what? Cat. Yes? Okay. Did I hear somebody laugh? Cat, this is a show. In some shows, there's such a thing called a laugh track, and there's like lots of people laughing it in some scenes. So that was the laughing. But you never fool me. Moy! Moy, you have to hide me somewhere. In Dexter's home, that's a good idea. There's nobody as a car. That was just your hallucination. But we're cats. Cats don't get hallucinations. So I don't know. But it was definitely not a car. It was a red truck. Looked more like a car to me. Don't touch this car! Attack this monster! Ah! There he is! Meow! Cat, you need to stop. Not anymore. This is our road now. Hey, you know what? In Thinktown there's a mouse peeping in Thinktown. Meows? Meow, 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 meow. Good job. We saved the roads from naughty cats invading. Did you not actually put a toy mouse in Thinktown? Good. Now the next episode will be about a monster. Single House Studios, Northampton, England, UK.